and so easy to do. Really, so for this stitch we need multiple of 3 plus 1 extra stitch plus 2 for edges. So here I custom the stitches like row 1 with slip 1 and knit stitches like this. Last stitch we just purl for edge like this. Row 2 with slip 1, knit 1, yarn in front of the work with slip 1 and 2. Knit 1, yarn in front of the work with slip 1 and 2. Knit 1, yarn in front of the work with slip 1 and 2 stitch. Knit 1, yarn in front of the work with slip 1 and 2. At the end of the row here we have 1 and 2 stitch. This one we need as extra stitch. This one we just purl for edge like this. Row 1 and 2 to the desired length like this. We need to the front loop all the stitches like this. We repeat knit 1, yarn in front of the work, slip 2, knit 1, yarn in front of the work, slip 1, 2, knit 1, yarn in front of the work, slip 1, 2, knit 1, like this, knit 1. So these 2 rows we repeat all